Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to create an organizational structure chart in Microsoft Word. First, open Microsoft Word and start a new blank document. Go to the Insert tab in the ribbon at the top of the screen. Click on the Smart Art button in the Illustrations group. In the Choose a Smart Art graphic window that appears, select the Hierarchy category on the left. Choose an organization chart layout that suits your needs. There are various options such as Hierarchy, Labeled Hierarchy, Picture Organization Chart, and more. Click on the organizational chart layout you prefer, then click OK. This will insert a basic organizational chart into your document. Now, you can customize the organizational chart. Click on the text within each shape to type the names and positions of individuals or departments in your organization. Press Enter to add additional levels or shapes to the chart. To add more shapes at the same level, click on the shape from which you want to add a new shape, then click the Add Shape button on the Smart Art Design tab. You can choose to add shapes to the left, right, above, or below the selected shape. To delete a shape, click on the shape you want to remove, then press the Delete key on your keyboard. To change the layout or style of your organizational chart, click on the Design tab under Smart Art Tools. Here you can change the colors, styles, and layout options of your chart to match your preferences. You can also resize the entire chart by clicking and dragging the corners of the Smart Art graphic. Once you have customized your organizational chart, you can add additional text or information around it in your Word document. Finally, save your document by clicking File and Save, or using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+S. That's it. You have successfully created an organizational structure chart in Microsoft Word. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.